This is the dual mode Wi-Fi access point ESP32 Cam. Okay, we have ESP32 Cam, and also we provide one external antenna and SMS power supply to power up the ESP32. Okay, this ESP32 Cam connected to one local Wi-Fi, and also it create another one Wi-Fi access point. This Wi-Fi access point is paired with another one ESP32 Cam. Yes, first ESP32 Cam is already connected with one local Wi-Fi access point. That local Wi-Fi access point allotted the IP for that ESP32 Cam is 192.160.43.88. This is the local Wi-Fi access point. Create a it's a alert for IP for that ESP32 Cam. In this cam is also connected to that ESP32 Cam Wi-Fi. That Wi-Fi SSID is displaced in broadcast. We have to see 192.168.43.88. that is the IP of local access point created allotted IP, and you have to enter the SSID, local AP SSID in the program. The two also combine together. Okay, therefore you just change that SSID of the second ESP32 is that first ESP32 IP, then your SSID, then only it's working. The first ESP32 Cam is generate one Wi-Fi access point. That Wi-Fi access point is in series of 192.164.1. This is the Wi-Fi access point IP. In second ESP32 Cam is connected to the Wi-Fi access point. That Wi-Fi access point is alert IP to second ESP32 Cam is 192.168.4.2. Okay, we just see that two videos in our browser. This is the first ESP32 Cam generator Wi-Fi. Okay, you just see that IP 192.164.1:81/stream. This is the first ESP32 Cam video. This another one is 192.164.2. This is the second one video. In this method, you have to connect maximum of 8 devices with the ESP32 Cam Wi-Fi access point. This laptop is connected to the ESP32 Cam Wi-Fi also. We just see that Wi-Fi access SSID. I already discussed with the IP which is allotted to our first ESP32 Cam, that is 192.168.43.57 test 1. The test 1 is the SSID of the total. This IP and this SSID also you should to program with your Arduino IDE, then only it's working. Same time we have the test is a local SSID. You have to use this local SSID you just receive only one stream, that is 192.168.57 43.57 video is only we receive. But using this 192.168.43.57 test 1 IP address, this AP is allotted by first ESP32 Cam. You have to connect maximum of 8 devices simultaneously. Then only you receive the video of the ESP32 Cam with the series of 192.168.4 series. Okay. This is the video. Okay, thank you. I will give this dual mode Wi-Fi access point Arduino program in my description. You just use this Arduino program and check it. If you have any doubts, please comment me. Definitely I will help you. And also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.